Hey everybody, my name is Adam Van Fleet with MarineMax. Today, we're going to walk through a 2024 Boston Whaler $220. As we start at the back of the boat here, per usual, I want to start out by showing you this awesome casting platform back here. The $220 is a mix between an inshore and a light offshore boat. So you can do a bunch of inshore fishing with its shallow draft, but it's also got a nice deep hull so you can get off the coast and you can travel if you'd like to. Take it down to Boston Harbor, take it down to the Keys in the winter, whatever's what your fancy. All non-skid up here. Down the center, we have a 200 horsepower V6 Mercury Verado. And again, non-skid on the back. This is the really nice option here. With the new hull style, you just pop these backrests up and it gives you a nice seated position. You're nice inside the boat, and it's actually a very dry spot too, which is really awesome. Popping it right back down. Perfect. Removable tow bar right here. Surrounded by cup holders, rod holders, and on the interior of that gunnel, you have a freshwater washdown. This pilot seat is a really nice option as far as its maneuverability and its usability. So right now we have it in an aft-facing bench, so if you guys are trolling, if you guys are sitting at the sandbar, you can put it here. It's got a couple of positions in between, lifts right up, and now you have your bow-facing bench for the captain and mate. I want to show you something here too, so I'm going to put it back, but you have cup holders on each side, and this whole helm seat is actually a livewell. So the blue liner inside recirculating and aerated in there. As we come up to the helm of the boat, you have Mercury's digital throttle and shift with electric start, active trim, right here at your fingertips. Nice stainless wheel with the turning knob. You have a 12-inch SIMRAD display, which is MFD, chart plotter, fish finder, everything right on there with your engine management. Your vessel view is going to handle your standalone engine management. So that'll have your tanks, your pressures, your waters, everything on there. JL Audio head unit, matched with JL Audio speakers through here. You have 4 speakers, 2 up front and 2 in the back. Huge locking glove box. SIMRAD VHF. And your Whaler rocker switches here. You have a center helm mounted compass for your manual use. Your mast light sticks in here, USB outlets, and you actually get a wireless charger up here too. As we pop over to the head, underneath this helm, pop this open there for you. You do have a removable head with pump out. So you're not taking that out, you pull up right to the gas stock and you can take care of all that stuff in there. It does have a Bimini sun top. This one with the platinum hull and black canvas. This will come out and it'll extend all the way over to your helm seat. So you get some shade if you want to when you're not fishing. As we move up to here to the front of the boat, again, you have more casting platform up here, an anchor locker, and an insulated fish box. Right here, you have your lounger seating. So this is nice with the flip down armrests, enough room for 2. And underneath, you have storage for anything you might need. So right now, we just unwrapped this boat, so you have the props in the owner's bag in here. There is a pass-through for all your rods, and this does lock. So when you're off the boat, you can lock everything right down there. The helm door locks as well, all right? It's got the split bow rail and the anchor line holder up front. Guys, this one just came in. We literally just unwrapped it. I wish it was in the water, but put a deposit on it. Let's get a sea trial going and let's take you out for a ride. I think you'll really love the new $220. My name's Adam. My number is 781-635-8684. If you need anything, you want to stop by, we do have some boats in the showroom. It's getting to be springtime, but not quite yet. But we're almost there. We'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.